Hello friends, I am presenting a case of missing a piece of copper T. A multiparous had history of copper T placed 10 years back and was removed. But later when she had a pain abdomen for which ultrasound was done, which showed a piece of copper T, not the complete length of the copper T, one arm of copper T was retaining in the uterine cavity. Though it may not be the reason for the pain abdomen, but patient was worried about it. She wanted to get rid of it. We used diagnostic hysteroscopy to find the piece of the copper T and operative sheath with a grasper. We removed it, and later when we do the check hysteroscopy finally, we could see a piece of thread that was looking embedded inside the endometrium near the one of the tubal ostia, which was not easily coming out. We used the grasper once again and repeated attempts was able to remove the piece of a thread of the copper T. In this patient, the copper T was kept inside the uterine cavity 10 years back and it was later removed. But a piece was left behind, but she found out only when she had a pain abdomen. It is doubtful to mention that whether this piece of copper T was the cause of her pain abdomen, but when she found out that it was there, she was worried for her. So we removed it hysteroscopically. But later when we saw that near the cornu, a piece of copper T thread was also seen embedded near the one of the cornu osteo, which was again removed by using the grasper, hysteroscopic grasper using the operating sheath. This was a one small case I wanted to share with you all. If there are any doubts about this, please put a comments. I will try to answer them. Or if any other similar experience you have, if you had, you can share with us. Thanks for watching this video.